All right, we're back. Got this one all finished up, ready to go home. Come get here in a little bit. He's already been by here to check it out. If it looked good, come get it later. Turned out pretty good. The inside all cleaned up, ready to go. So he'd probably do some traveling this year when it get cleaned up. Yeah, got it all cleaned up under the hood. Use some super clean to knock the dirt off and spray a little engine dressing on there to shine it up a little bit. It's like a new one. Alright, that's it for the day. Got a couple more showing up this week. I'll be here sometime today or tomorrow. Get some video of that and pictures and whatever else happens. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. All the doohickeys you gotta do to watch. Alright, thank you.